Okay, look at this. This is so weird. All right. Look, it's O'Keefe. How's it going? This guy. Oh, this is this one. I don't want it. Let's get a different one. This indicator. This is neat. This is really cool. Wow. I've never seen a lobby panel like this before. That's cool. All right. Unfortunately, these are kind of busy. All right, whoa, it has the to be used in case of fire button that is usually required in California. And then here is the, whoa, it's got a directional indicator, that's cool. All right, oh my God, there's this stupid music playing in the elevator too. That is, oh my God, these are indeed on their original controllers. Wow, these things go. I hate whoever decided to play music in this elevator. Why did they have to do that? Elevator music is just annoying and should be done away with. Look at this. Oh my God, these things are cool. 350 feet per minute, I reckon. And I gotta just keep thinking of crap to say to talk over this music. And oh, it switched to the down direction already. And look, O'Keefe Elevator Company. So it was O'Keefe money. O'Keefe. Oh, good, the music's done. Nothing is original out here. All right, down we go. 2, 1. This is cool. All right. All right, of course the music is starting back up. Can't avoid it. And look, it switches to the up direction. I've never seen that on an elevator like this. But anyway, it's at the Douglas building. Anyway, that will be it.